Good morning, my name is Julie Eberhardt and I am going to be reporting on the observations from my house here in Fairbanks, Alaska on the east side of the Gulfstream Valley. And my observations today are going to be reported from the 15th of September 2012 at just about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Today the weather has been reading, at least at 12:15 when I took my observation. It was reading on the left side at 50.1 Fahrenheit with a max of 43.1 and a minimum of 34.3 both in Fahrenheit. The barometric pressure so far has been 1008.1 and that's in millibars. I rated the wind at being a level 1 on the Beaufort scale, and that has northeast winds of 3 miles per hour with about 3/4 of the sky is covered, and currently it's been raining a little bit with just a slight drizzle, and it's been overcast with nimbostratus clouds. The right thermometer has been reading 49.8 with the max being 43.3 and the minimum being 34.9, and that's all in degrees Fahrenheit. So looking at my observation table, it appeared as though the warmest day so far at my house was the 12th, which was Wednesday, and that had an average temperature of 44.7 degrees Fahrenheit according to the left side, and 45.15 on the right. The coolest day so far was Thursday the 13th, and that was reading, that's Wednesday the 13th, and that was reading at 36.75 Fahrenheit on the left and 37.2 on the right. And then coming up next to that was actually today so far, although it is much warmer now as opposed to when I took my reading. The average so far has been 38.7 Fahrenheit as well as 39.1 Fahrenheit. The temperature throughout the week stayed pretty stable from the upper 40s to the lower 50s, and the cooler temperatures varied very lightly between the lower 30s to the mid 30s, and it stayed pretty consistent throughout the entire week of reporting through my station. However, taking a look at the P-graph of my barometric pressure, I can see a pretty nice visual that's created here throughout the readings, because on Wednesday the barometric pressure skyrocketed up to 1011.3 millibars and then slowly started to decrease. This increase in pressure does make sense given the day. That day I went boating, and so here's a quick shot of it just to do some screenshot of the nice lovely fall afternoon. So that higher pressure made sense because the skies were very clear, there was very calm weather, which could attribute again for that increase in pressure. It was also the warmest day of the week that I had reported, with abnormally high temperatures throughout the day, and then temperatures decreasing significantly to much cooler in the evening. And I believe that's pretty much all that I have to report on. I hope that the weather continues to stay nice and lovely throughout the weekend and through next week so that we can have some interesting observations. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.